Unlocking the mystery. Understanding, I can't decode it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit cryptic at first. I can't decode it. This phrase is not just about secret messages. It's about the challenges we face in understanding complex information. So, let's break it down together and uncover its meaning and usage. Stay tuned. Before we delve into the phrase itself, let's understand what decode means. To decode something is to convert a coded message into a form that is understandable. It's like solving a puzzle or translating a secret language into one we can comprehend. This process is not limited to spies and secret messages. It applies to everyday situations where we interpret meanings, whether in texts, conversations, or even body language. The phrase, I can't decode it, is used when someone finds something difficult to understand or interpret. It's not just about language. It can be about any form of communication, including gestures, instructions, or even technical information. Here are some scenarios where you might use this phrase. Complex instructions. When instructions are too complicated or technical, you might say, I can't decode these instructions. Difficult texts. Facing a challenging book or article, you could express, I can't decode what the author is trying to say here. Cryptic messages. In situations where someone's message or email is unclear or ambiguous, saying, I can't decode this message, conveys your confusion. Encountering a decoding challenge can be frustrating, but there are strategies to help. 1. Ask for clarification. Don't hesitate to ask the speaker or writer to explain their point in simpler terms. 2. Break it down. Try to break the information into smaller, manageable parts to understand each section before piecing it together. 3. Use context clues. Look at the surrounding information or context to help infer the meaning of the difficult parts. 4. Practice. The more you expose yourself to various forms of English, the better you'll become at decoding complex information. I can't decode it is a powerful phrase that expresses a struggle many of us face in understanding complicated information. Remember, encountering difficulties in decoding is a natural part of learning and communication. With practice and the right strategies, you'll find that what once seemed indecipherable will start to make sense. We hope this video sheds light on this intriguing phrase and helps you on your journey to mastering English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.